What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Bill, your trusted source for the latest Pixel Weekly updates. I'm Hector, and we've got an exciting lineup of news for you today in case you missed them last week. From new colors to the Pixel Buds Pros to the latest updates of Google's upcoming devices, we've got it all covered. So without further ado, let's dive into the headlines. First up, it's all about the Pixel Buds Pro getting a colorful makeover. According to the report from 9 to 5 Google, Google is set to introduce two fresh shades, porcelain and sky blue, for its Pixel Buds Pro. These new colors are set to coincide with the release of the highly anticipated Pixel 8 this fall. The Pixel Buds Pro, known for its impressive noise canceling capabilities and spatial audio support, will now offer even more options for users to match their style. The new color variants are expected to closely match the hues of the Pixel 8 Pro and are set to launch around the same time as the Pixel 8. Exciting times for Google fans. In our next story, we have an update regarding the Pixel Watch. Google recently brought the at-a-glance feature to the Pixel Watch, but it mysteriously disappeared in recent days. However, as of August 31st, the at-a-glance complication widget has made its triumphant return, appearing both on the device and in the companion app. So if you're a Pixel Watch user, be sure to set it up again for your convenience. Moving on to the world of wearables, Samsung is making headlines with its latest update. According to 9 to 5 Google, Samsung has started rolling out Wear OS 4 to its existing smartwatches, including the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro in the United States. This update is based on Android 13, brings a host of new features, which can only mean it's only a matter of time before we see the update on the Pixel Watch. Next up, Android users may soon have more customization options for their devices. According to a report from Android Police, Android 14 may soon allow users to set different live wallpapers for their lock screen and their home screen backgrounds. Currently, Android only supports separate static backgrounds or a live wallpaper for both screens. However, this new feature, which might be included in the December 2023 Pixel feature drop, will give users the freedom to personalize their device appearance even further. In some surprising news, Google has decided to discontinue the Pixel Pass subscription service. Pixel Pass bundled together a Pixel phone, Prefer Care Protection, Google One Cloud Storage, YouTube Premium, Google Play Pass, and Fire Wireless service for US customers. Google states that they want to focus on providing the best value for their hardware products while allowing users to choose their favorite services. Existing subscribers need not to worry. An active subscription will continue as normal until the end of their 2-year term, and they will even receive a $100 Google Store credit as a token of appreciation. Mark your calendar, folks. Google is all set to unveil the highly anticipated Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro on October 4th, 2023. While specific details about the devices weren't disclosed, it's implied that these will be the next-gen Pixel phone, with rumors suggesting improvements in camera technology, AI features, and even a contactless thermometer in the Pixel 8 Pro. Hold on to your seats because we got a sneak peek of the Pixel 8 Pro. An official image of the Google Pixel 8 Pro has leaked, confirming some exciting details about the device design and color. The image revealed a rear-facing camera system with 3 sensors in a pill-shaped space, a departure from the previous side-to-side module design. Additionally, 2 extra sensors appeared adjacent, likely an LED flash, and one for the body temperature measurement. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to come in porcelain and obsidian black and a vibrant sea blue color option. Google is making a significant change in its approach to the Pixel 8 series. In a report by Droid Life, it revealed that contrary to the early rumors, Google plans to retain the SIM tray in the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones, instead of going for an eSIM only like Apple did with the iPhones. This practical decision acknowledges the ease and convenience of the traditional SIM cards for users. Additionally, the Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to feature night sight for video, promising exceptional video recording quality in low light conditions. In our final story for today, Google is taking a significant step to compete with Apple's extended software support. According to 9 to 5 Google, Google aims to provide 5 years of Pixel updates for devices powered by its Tensor chips. This means that after Android 15, Pixel 6 owners will receive 2 more years of security patches, ensuring their phones remain functional. Although without major operation system updates, this move is intended to make Google Pixel 8 series more competitive by extending the number of years for OS updates, potentially rivaling Apple's iPhone update longevity. And now a quick bonus story for you Android enthusiasts out there. Google has unveiled its new Android branding and logo. The changes include capitalizing the A in Android instead of using a lowercase, creating a more balanced look with Google's branding. Furthermore, a 3D version of the Bugdroid character has been introduced, making it more dynamic and versatile for various environments. You can expect to see this new branding on devices and across various platforms later this year, possibly in connections with the Android 14 and Pixel 8 launches. That wraps up today's Pixel news of last week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting Pixel updates. We'll be back next week to recap everything related to Pixel news this week on the weekly Pixel Roundup. Peace!